Hey, what's up guys? So welcome to part 3 of my EF Civic build. I finally ordered the correct clutch this time. So what happened was I actually had an 88 Civic EF transmission, which the spline was a 21 spline. Took me forever to finally get that clutch, probably about a month just ordering back and forth, sending it off and all this stuff. But I finally got everything in, the car runs and drives. If you guys have not seen part 1 or 2, go and check that out before you come back into this video. So let's get right into it. Third time's the charm. It finally worked. So time to install it. So it turns out I'm using an EG flywheel. The EF one won't work.
Really? Whoa!
Alright, so I finally got the motor in. It took Nick and I a good hour or so because we had to put the clutch in. Finally the clutch fits. So I already primed it a few times and double checked to see if there was any fuel leaks or anything. But let's start it up. Sounds good. Alright, just cleaned her up. Put on some HX wheels with brand new tires. If you can see that. I also painted the moldings, painted that bumper. Still need to do the hood. Took this passenger door molding off. Got it painted. She runs good, sounds good. I think we should go for a little drive. So that is it for this Civic project. I'm officially done with this car because I ended up selling it. The kid texted me the next day and said that he was super happy with it and he's been mobbing around with this, so I'm glad he's having fun. If you guys have not seen part 1 and part 2, don't forget to check it out down in the description link below just to see the progress of where the Civic came from. And so I do have a few projects coming up in the future, so don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and I'll catch you guys in that project video. Peace. Guys, just got my car sold. These guys driving off. Ooh.
Is your e-brake up and down?
Was the e-brake down? E-brake was up. Say goodbye to her. I sold her for $17.50. if these guys can actually drive it home. There you go. Almost hit Nick's EG.